If you are a freelancer or agency owner doing a lot of meetings with clients for selling something like services, your product, and close more deals, then this AI tool is the golden skill for you. With this tool, you can get more sales deals, you can get the transcribes and even take notes all of your meetings. And the best part, whenever you are going to open your Google Meet or the whatever the platform you use for meetings, it's automatically going to open up its AI user interface, and there are a lot of cool AI functionalities that will help you to get to know how you are going to start with your meetings, like building rapport, type chat, and the best thing, you can just manually build these things. There will be some AI tips, it will show up. Let me give you a demo. So this is the video I had recorded with my friend to give him the demo, and let me play it for you. And here you can check out this AI discovery playbook I have just enabled here, and now it is showing me all the things to continuously going on my this meetup here, and what the things I should focus here, and whatever the things like something open up with me and my client, like the about the pricing, about the budget, this kind of the AI tips, it is going to automatically show and suggest me what thing I should talk about and what should I have to behave. This is the big thing that I like about this platform, and everything is just suggesting with this AI here. You don't have to do anything, and you can just manualize everything once your meeting is done. For example, you can see this is the shape, and this is the scrolling bar. It's just sinking down, means after that it's this AI tip will be disappear, and after that whenever the next time in your video you will get this something, this AI which again is going to show up. For example, let me show you now. If we talk about like this person is not sure about, he is asking us to talk with this person or talk with some higher authority like the boss. Like you can see there are the tips available here. Let me go here. You can check out. This is the time for the budget or the pricing. So that's how basically this platform is work here. Now let me back to the user interface, and let me show you all the features here. So first of all, you need a it's the Chrome extension. This is the Chrome extension you need to install, and after that, this kind of free AI pop-up will be start implementing or showing up whenever you are going to launch your meetings, no matter it's your Zoom, Google Meet, or any other platform you are using. And after that, once the meeting is end, it is going to show you the detailed conversations like the notes transcribed here. Because see, this is the full transcribe with my friend for the demo I have showed you, and here you can see AI for summary. Just click on the generate button, and it is going to generate the summarize for the meeting here that you can analyze. Then this is the playbook adoption button. Just simply click here, and now it is going to adopt this whole call and make it better. It's the AI role for the upcoming calls. Okay, and one of the best feature, if you are not right feeling with talking the clients like the shy person or camera shy person, or you do a lot of the stomach while in the meeting, here's this AI play role option available. It will help you to practice with its AI person. These are the real like persons with the help of AI. This AI tool has the feature created. Okay, and here you can just check the scenario, like it's your cold call scenario or just a discovery, like you have just discovered the agents and you want to book it for the upcoming meeting. This kind of things, and here you can even create the new role plays. Like let me show you how you can customize or do the make it this role play according to your service. Just go to your settings here, and here you can check out. For example, my buyer persona is small business website owner and the blogger who are seeking actual services to make their website better. Okay, so I have done with my AI role play settings. If I go to the AI role play here, and now every time I go to here, it's suggested with different person. And if I click here on the start a call, okay, it will start this call where I am going to talk about. Hi, this is Basant here.
Oh, hi there. What's up?
Okay, so that's how basically you are going to practice with the meetings with the real life persons that is built with the AI, and you don't going to the stomach because you are not actually on the real call, because this is the practice call, but you have to feel like it's the real person in front of you here. Okay, and it is going to do all the things that you tackle with your real-time clients, like the objections, like the touching points, like the servicing, calling, all these things you are going to face in this practice call as well. So this is the big thing I want to talk here. And once this practice is done, no matter how many practice you are doing, every practice it is going to analyze and it is going to suggest you all the things where the things you are lacking, what is the things you need to improve. For example, in my talking with two clients, you can see 72% I am talking here and 28% I am letting in my prospect talking. And this is the bad thing. You can see here, it's also suggesting me that I need to talk around the 50% and other 50% I need to let my prospect talk so I can get to know more about it and they don't feel like I am doing this something irritating with the call. Okay, so this thing they suggest me here with their AI functionalities. Then this is the playbook I have already talked with you, and this is the thing that you can create. This is for your live calls. Here you can just analyze how your call turn and you can just build this kind of the playbook here. And whenever you are going to launch your meeting, let me show you. For example, I do my meetings in the Google Meet and the session for the thing. This is the Google Meet. I think whenever I launch this meeting, this is the if AI extension is going to launch. And if I select here this playbook, you will select. Now it will show me all my playbook, like how I am going to talk with my client. This is the journey and the things it is showing. Like I am going to first talk about building, find something to connect on about them, their location and the background. Okay, I know first thing what I am going to talk about with my client. So this is time check. This is the goal for the meeting. This is set agenda. This is the discover context. Okay, the present situation. All these things it is going to suggest you, and that you can build here on the this playbook. Okay, you can also make it according to you from the scratch. Then this is the tip section. From here you can create the tips. By default, there are some already tips available. This is the built-in tip, like the not a priority objection. This is the check with my boss, not a right fit. This is the again a objection. This is the budget and pricing. This is the about production. This is for the pricing. This is the you can create these kind of the tips here. And wherever you are talking with your clients and your client just talked about to not a priority or not the right time or the pricing, this tips is going to appear here. Okay, and help you how you are going to handle that situation. Then again we have this feature that is the member. Here you are going to add your team members where they can also access. This is the setting option. There's the HubSpot and the Salesforce CRM connectivity options available. You can connect it here and in one single click you can just sync your data with the your HubSpot CRM or the Salesforce CRM here. Okay, and like I said, if you want to set out your buyer persona, you can do it here. Okay, so these are all the features you are going to find out on this AI tool. That name is this Tell Me This Pen. I haven't talked about this tool name yet, but this is the name. Okay, and right now its lifetime deal is available on the App Sumo. This is the really cool platform and the AI tool for all the freelancers and the agencies who want to train their new team members about how they are going to talk with the clients on this real call. Okay, this is the really cool tool. So pricing is just $59. And if I scroll down below, you will check out all the features that I have just showed you right now. And you can also do like all the things that I have showed you. Okay, if I scroll down below, you are going to get all the features like the playbooks, behavioral tips, automated battle cards, AI call summary, action, everything you are going to get in this feature. And these are all the plans available. Tier 1 plan. Here you will get all the features just for the one user, and the limits you will get the 2 hours per month, 20 hours per month for the real-time assistant. This is 2 hours for the AI role play of practice, the 20 hours per month for the post-call coaching. Okay, so this is the limit you will get, but this is good for the freelancers. Okay, and if you are the agency, then I think there's the tier 3 plan is good for you, because here you will get the unlimited role play, unlimited real-time assistant, and unlimited post-call coaching. Individuals, I think the tier 1 or tier 2 plan is good for you. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and there's also 60 days money back guarantee you will get if somehow you are not happy with this tool. You can always return it and get your 100% money back. Okay, so this is all I want to talk about. Sell Me This Pen AI tool here. If you want to check more videos on the AI tools like this, you can check out my YouTube channel. Here every day I upload new videos on these SaaS tools, AI tools. Okay, So if I go to the video, here are all the videos you can check out. Make sure you also like this video. Okay, so I get to know and enjoy that people are liking this video. Make sure you also commented what part or what query you are having about this theme so I can help you to get better knowing about this theme. Okay, so if you want to check out this lesson, the link will be there in the description. Make sure you also subscribe my channel to stay updated all these videos, AI updates, the comparison, and even the review video. That's all. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.